Today in this video we will see the 5 mistakes we do in our meditation practice that we should avoid these mistakes to do proper meditation. Number 1 is we think of time. When we doing meditation, then for some time after for maybe hour or 2 hour we actually get conscious of our time, that we are doing the meditation for long time and nothing is happening. So we are actually think time more than necessary. So we should not think of time, because we are doing meditation for the our spiritual journey, and it is not time bound, it is beyond the time and space. So we should avoid thinking of time, and when we are doing meditation we should simply relax and calm without worrying anything about time. The second mistake we usually do while doing meditation is our surroundings. While meditating, we our surrounding or our atmosphere is filled with such things that we end up having obstacles in our meditation. Example, while sitting we use proper comforting material so that we are not irritated by the texture, or we should sit for the meditation where we are fully comfortable, and uncomfortable environment may lead to our meditation problem. So more and more comforting atmosphere you can create for meditation is better for you and for your meditation. While sitting for the meditation, it is very important to maintain the posture. We should sit straight, and it is more important because when we do meditation for longer period of time, eventually our back pain will cause problem for the meditation, and we will get interrupted by our back pain or any leg problem. So we should focus on proper posture while doing meditation, so that we will meditate for long hours, long time. The fourth mistake is while doing meditation, we are closing our eyes, we are sitting in the proper atmosphere, proper surrounding, proper posture. Visually are focused on our thoughts. Various thoughts come to our mind, various thoughts go to, but we are actually stick to the thought. So we some thought came to our mind, we stick to thought. This is the fourth mistake we should avoid. We should not stick to any thoughts, just thoughts random go here and there. We should simply relax. Do not stick to one particular thought. So this is fourth mistake. And the final mistake is our meditation practice is not regular. So regular meditation practice is very important when we are doing some great work. You are doing meditation for 1 day, skipping for 2 days, and then another doing for 1 day, then it is not regular. You should do regular meditation practice uh, to calm your mind, and to make it habitual for your body to process the meditation and going into the deep state. So our body is habitual to the meditation, then it becomes very easy to go into meditation. So I hope you will avoid these mistakes in the meditation. I will repeat the 5 mistakes, and we will stop here. The first thing is we think of time. The second is our atmosphere is not suitable for meditation. The third mistake is our wrong sitting posture. The third mistake is we stick to thoughts while doing meditation. Number fifth mistake is we are not regular in the meditation. So avoid these 5 mistakes, and I hope you will meditation will level up for the next time. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you all are doing meditations. Thank you very much.